Hey, what's up guys? This is Jake Buckley Design. I'm going to do an unboxing video of my Panasonic GH5 Lumix that I got in the mail from Amazon. It came in a bundle on the left here, and then I have accessories that I ordered individually on the right. I'm going to unbox all this. So just a little highlight, the bundle came with the camera, some batteries and charger, SD card, and then a case. Stuff on the right is a microphone, the battery attachment, and then the lens. So let's start it off. I'm going to unbox the lens first. It's the 35mm lens from Panasonic. I did some research, and this is kind of one of the better overall lenses for the camera. Some instructions here. Here's the case. Looks like lens cap. Here's the lens. Looks like that's inside the box. Here's the lens. Oh, and I just want to say that here's the cover. That I really want to start shooting commercials and different things. Vlogging. I'm shooting right now on just my iPhone, but let me see the lens. Sweet. Set that aside. Now I'll undo the microphone. I got the Comica microphone. Just want a small microphone to help with interviews. Came with a sweet case. Here's the box. Here's the case. Microphone. Stand attachment. Help with the wind. Go over the top. Also came with some cords as well. Plug into the mic. The camera. Okay. And then here's the battery grip. It fits at the bottom of the camera. It's DSTE is the main brand. Here is the grip. It's pretty bulky. I kind of like this because it has the different buttons and attachments on the right. It goes into the bottom of the camera. Really excited about this. Here's where the extra battery goes into. Set this aside here. Okay, now let's open this bundle that came. I really was excited about this because it kind of just fulfilled everything I needed for the camera. I really wanted some extra batteries, so this came with 2 batteries, extra batteries, and then also with the wall charger outlet to charge the batteries. I'm going to be shooting a lot of video, so I'm going to need that. And then here's the yeah, this is just a power, Wasabi power. And Here's the 64 gigabyte SD card, stage 2. I really wanted this for shooting 4K video. Let's see here. Box. Set this over here. Okay. Let's wait for the camera. Let's do this. Here's the case. This is monoprice case. It came with a bunch of different levels. Just take out kind of spacing which ones fit, special fit to your camera. Really wanted to protect the camera. Hopefully I can fit my lens in there as well. And then let's get to the camera. This is what we came to see. 4K, awesome camera for videotaping, awesome photos as well. But let's see how we can get this one out. Here we go. Some instructions here. Here's the man's thick book for the camera. Inside. Oh, we have a bunch of cables. Bunch of cables here. Looks like a charge station. Looks like it's a little moving charger, but that'd be good to have too. So if one goes out, let's get to the real thing here. There's a strap, GH5 strap. Here's the camera, nice covering. Super awesome. Now look at that, that's so sweet. Take off the lens cap. Fold this back. Screen. Super cool. There you go. Well, that concludes the video today. Thanks for checking out the camera with me and all the accessories I bought with it. See you guys some other time. Peace.